How to fix Messenger Kids not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are having trouble with Messenger Kids not working, then you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this issue step by step. So first option is to go to your app store and make sure your Messenger Kids app is updated, because updating improves the app to make it an even better experience. The second option is to go to your phone settings and scroll down until you find apps, and then on the search bar search for Messenger Kids and then tap on it, and what you can do is turn on background app refresh. However, background app refresh can only be turned on when your low power mode is turned off. So sometimes background app refresh also helps to fix the issue. Another option is to go to your iPhone storage option, tap on general, go to iPhone storage, and then scroll down until you find Messenger Kids. After you find Messenger Kids, what you have to do is tap on it and then tap on offload app. This will free up storage but will not delete the data. So after offloading app, you have to go back to your app store again and install the app. And if that also doesn't work, what you can do is scroll down the notification bar and then tap on the power button and restart the device. Sometimes it goes a long way, and that's it. After that, your Messenger Kids should be working. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.